Here we are at Jones Multinet, 514-704-3947, doing some professional rug cleaning. As you can see, we are very well equipped. We have our sprayers, we have our tarp that we put underneath for your home. We have our spinners and our bonnets. These are low in-cap products. They smell amazing and do tremendous well the job. This product actually brings back all the color that is supposed to be when you purchased your rug. Not only do we pre-back first, but we have specialized equipment that actually goes down deep inside the rug fiber in order to pick up all that's not supposed to be there. So before even attempting to clean, you must always remove loose soil. Sorry for the video, I'm trying to hold the camera and work at the same time. Jones Multinet, 514-704-3947 for good quality service at fair price. Call us today. Check us out on Facebook, Google, and YouTube.